Hello guys, I have implemented an AI to play Tic-Tac-Toe optimally using Minimax algorithm. This AI won't let you to win. Either AI win or you lose or the game will be drawn. So let me show you the code. This is the code. So let me run the code and let us play the game. So after typing that code, the game window will be shown. So first I am going to play as player X. Okay, one. So now I am going to play as O. First move is always X. So computer is thinking. It will make an optimal move. Always. So the game has been tied.